Today's video, we have huge news coming from Premier African Minerals. This is the news that we've been waiting on. We've known of a potential deal being done and how keen George Roche and the guys are to get to production. Today, we have that news. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy or Sell. I hope, of course, you're all well. Just going to have a quick look at this then. As you can see, news broke today in my Discord about the deal that has went through. So let's just have a look at this. We open the link and you can go in and have a good detailed read of this here. I'm not going to do that because it's just very, very lengthy and I'm still trying to digest it. And if you don't have the Discord, you can go in and just check out the Facebook groups or even just check out the LSE site itself. But we're up and running, not bad. So if we scroll down here, this is it. I initially said, yeah, just woke up and getting the news. What's the thoughts? 35 million prepaid for the pilot plant, no dilution, production of the pilot plant. I don't want to get excited, but this should rocket. And we did see a rocket. We've seen it shot up over 10%, which is, in today's climate, it is a rocket in my opinion. We can see here, target annual production from pilot plant is 50,000 tons. Takeoff target commitment to Suzhou. Pre-purchase of the production pays complete 35 million construction cost. Minimum price undertaken is first 50,000 production underwrites repayment capability. So pretty much we're not paying anything up front. They're investing, they're going to set up the whole plant. We will return the favor by producing this. Now, one thing within it, it looks to be sort of a end of March deadline. I think it's the 31st. So that deadline itself, obviously we've seen another, and dare I mention it, Active Energy Group, a company that hasn't been able to deliver on their goals, and the thing has sunk like a stone. Don't want to be any negative, but that's something that we need to keep an eye on in terms of the timeline of production. We need to make sure that we are hitting that because there will be penalties, there will be charges, there will be one hell of a given if that is missed. But listen, this focuses on the positive. This is great news. Plenty of money, plenty of pilot plant. We're taking advantage of the price of lithium right now. You can see here, it was 20, 18, 16, 12. It has fell. But listen, it's settling. We've got the USA market still to open, and I did say also in this, anyone's thoughts how to play it, I might just leave it all in and set some stop loss for someone, and that is what I have done. I have left in everything because there's no point selling it now. The way I look at it is the risks that were with Prem and with AM stocks and penny stocks in general has just got a lot more secure. This is a plan. They've got a huge investment. This company's obviously, even if you just look at it in simple terms, this company's obviously done huge due diligence into Premier African Minerals and the resorts, and they've went, yep, sounds good, there's 35 million. That's a huge amount of money for this company. Bear in mind, the market cap is only about 30 million, so it is one hell of a difference in price. I said I'm delighted, with 10%, and I am delighted with this, guys. Yeah, we're talking about Kodal, and then just more information, and I haven't even gotten reading all of this, guys. It's the first time I'm reading it here. So we're all still digesting the news, and we can see here since my last video, which was done on June the 8th, and I did say this in the video. So that is very, very nice on Premier African Minerals. Everything looks good. The only thing I will say is the RSI is starting to look rather overextended, as we can see here. That is a wee bit of an area of concern, but there you go. It did say about the RSI overextended. Again, there was multiple indicators, and I did sort of say, that's not the worst thing in the world, but an RSI overextended in simple terms pretty much means that a reversal will come. And if we look at the chart, June the 8th, it has sunk. It fell down as quick as a male gigolo's pants. It is down 22%. So not particularly great in terms of that. We were doing a lot better then than what we are now, even on the back of this news. But like I said, this could gather up a lot of pace over the next 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks rolling into months. So I'm keen with my position size to leave it. I'm okay with this. I'm happy with this news. Less risks, delighted. And the targets that I talked about in that video still stand. I would look at that video if you want to know about the chart movements and prices, and if you're interested in learn how to trade and what all this chart stuff means and how you can maximize and take profits, learn the trading course. The link is down below. And if you just want to get even into the Discord to keep up to date with more relevant news, the Premier African Minerals, Tesla, Kodal, whatever, Argo blockchain, the different types of stocks that we cover in this channel, plus general market news, it's all in the Discord. That is the video. I'm going to keep a close eye on this. I'm sure there'll be a video from George Roche coming out as well, and I am currently working on a more detailed video specifically looking into Prem, the timelines, the things that are coming up, the reasons why you should be bullish on Prem. So there's a good video coming. It's taking me longer than normal. It's not just a case of throwing on the camera and start talking. It is literally a lot more due diligence going into that, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in that, like, subscribe, please turn on notifications, all of that. Share the channel. Appreciate everybody helping me out in these really difficult times. YouTube is very, very tough at the moment because nobody's watching stock videos, so I'm trying in my best to survive in these trenches. So I do appreciate anyone that subscribes and shares the videos. That's great, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend, and if you're interested in becoming, say, a millionaire, I check out this one. Now is the time to be considering what your long-term strategy will be to become a millionaire, because right now you're getting bargains in stock market prices, so why not take advantage of that? And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.